Hey everybody, it's Jay from Long Island Decking back with you again. I just wanted to take a minute and share a project that we finished at the end of last year. Really cold in the winter time when we wrapped this job up. So I wanted to bring you back here in the summertime when everything is pretty and set up and it looks the way it's supposed to. On this project we did every single thing in this backyard except for the pool. We did an extension here and everything back in here is us. So at Long Island Decking, we don't just do decks, we design complete backyards, patio pavers from Cambridge Pavers, outdoor kitchens, Trex decks, obviously. There's a pergola upstairs as well, but we'll get to that in a second. While we're down here, I just wanted to focus on the underneath part, right? So everything here was designed by us, custom granite countertops, DCS appliances, DCS refrigerator, all this Cambridge paving stones, all the cultured stone around the outside, including under counter lighting here at night. Looks really, really pretty. Everything above us, so you got a Trex deck above us, but not every Trex deck has a drainage system that allows for hi-hats and lighting and soffit underneath, so it looks like more of an extension to your home than it does just a deck. This creates a whole new space for them. Everything around here, all AZAC trim, all custom routed, all bases and capitals, all custom made. Nothing here came. We made everything here. The homeowners did a really nice job decorating this space. Got a little like dartboard action going on here, axe throwing, super cool. And as we get to the upstairs is just as special, right? So you got lighting up the entire staircase, Trex Enhanced Naturals decking in Rocky Harbor color, which is one of their newer colors. Trex Transcends railings, white with black aluminum spindles. And one last step up to the upstairs deck where, I mean, this is just Long Island living at its best, right? So it's a hot day, but with this pergola and the adjustable louvers in the top of it, providing lots and lots of shade, and as the sun goes down and passes around, you can adjust that opening to provide as little or as much shade as you want. And if you don't have some shade, there's also umbrellas. And lastly, because there wasn't enough grilling space downstairs, got another little quick Weber grill up here in case you just want to come out, get a quick burger and shoot back into the kitchen. This one's really special. I hope you guys enjoyed. Check back for more and we'll see you soon.